Si Joaquin, tinipon na ang mga kasama para sama-samang makausap ang mga ito.
Hi guys, I'm really grateful that you guys came here for this open forum and that you guys are open to giving criticism. So it really helps for me to have an outside perspective to help me be more aware of myself. Oh, also I wanted to say na if the reason is like for you not telling me criticism here is that medyo intimidating ako. I'm really sorry, but ganun talaga ako. Like, so minsan nakasimangot ako ganun. Like, I'm just locked in. I'm not mad or anything. I'm just really focused. When I'm focused, I look mad. For those who know me, like Lela, if you know me outside, I'm really approachable talaga. Na, okay, I'm strong and medyo intimidating din. Pero, bro, I really won't get mad at you if you have something to say to me. Madami ng bagay na sinabi sa akin ni Lela. And one of those is medyo strong yung approach ko minsan. Hindi ako nagbibigay ng palusot, pero ito yung dahilan. Kasi pinalaki ako ng ganun, ng strong. I was raised by a strong woman. I was raised by my mom. And medyo strong personality din siya. And that's what I got. But again, hindi yun palusot. I'm just saying that that's why I'm like this. And medyo rough yung approach ko minsan. And I apologize for that. And I'm willing to improve naman. And regards to cooking, guys, I just cook because I like cooking. So if you guys want to cook, you can tell me. You know, I'm not really like hogging it. Like, if you want to cook, like cook. You can tell me. You don't have to be scared to approach me.
Matapos magsalita ni Joaquin, unang nagbigay ng kanyang saloobin si Miguel.
For me, your strong personality is okay. Kasi my friends all have strong personalities.
Yes.
But I said, the other people might not be the same as me. But sa ibang tao, it might come off as different. Ako, for me, you don't have to change it. But nasa sa'yo na yun, if yung approach mo sa ibang tao, yung gusto mong maging parang tingin sa'yo na ibang tao is like that, di ba? Pero kasi, I know you're not like that.
Yeah.
Kasi kilala naman kita eh.
I think the first step I should take to actually making it a habit to, you know, calm things down, I think the first step I should take is to make it conscious first. Consciously soften my approach. Consciously. Like, think about it talaga.
Para sa akin, hindi naman masama yung strong personality mo kasi yung parents ko ganun din. Pero they didn't get it. So, I understand you. Pero, you have to really read the room.
Read the room.
Always. Kasi, you never know it's the perfect time to do that, or say that, or ask that. And maybe try to be more understanding towards others.
Yeah.
And like, when you're talking to people, don't just like, shut them out.
Yeah.
Like, just say politely, like, wait, please, I'm talking to someone. You don't have to like, don't raise your hand at their face.
Yeah.
Because that's disrespectful.
Yeah. So, okay, I'll address that first, this one. Nag-usap na kami ni Ashley kagabi. Yes, nag-apologize ako sa kanya. And yes, nag-apologize siya sa akin for interrupting me nung isang araw. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na talagang na-guilty ako dun. And I really admit na I should not have done that. Na I regret doing that talaga. I was really remorseful of that. And I promise I won't do it again. And I'm sure sa lahat ng pagkakamali ko dito sa bahay, I'm sure nakita niyo na inayos ko. I hope you guys can understand na lumaki ako sa household na I'm strong with, you know, my mom, who is a female. So that's why medyo yung approach ko sa mga ibang females is ganun din. But again, thank you for telling me this. I'll be more aware of myself next time.
Siguro po yung pinaka-in-expect ko na lang po is mas maging okay and wala na po talaga na parang merong bad blood or dala-dala pa rin kuya na sama ng loob or something na hindi pagkakaintindihan. Kasi po, para sa akin po kuya, ayun nga po, clear naman na po siya.
I'll show more respect. I'll tone myself down talaga. Thank you so much.